Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick peek over here at XRP. Get a lot of requests for this one. I wanted to kind of see where we're at here too, because this is a coin that I've been considering a long position with for a few days. While it's jumping up and down, it's holding a pretty good range. So we're going to talk about that and obviously ensure we look at liquidation levels too to kind of see if there's any incentive for the market movers to destroy any longs or shorts or whatever the case is there. And obviously, if you are new to the channel, I ask you just quickly, hit the like button, comment below, get a chance, love to hear it, and obviously helps grow the channel. If you want to become a better trader, CryptoCache.tech is a site linked down below. Let's start with the last 7 days of liquidation look back here. First of all, last 7 days, holy cow, we got a lot of liquidation, somewhere in the range of about 900 million for each one of these lines here at about 52 cents. Also, 50 cents. So there's that level there again. 50 cents was a strong support level for us, now potential resistance. So at this point, we can see we've tried to sweep that level once, got rejected. This is a second attempt, more likely to break through. If we do take again a look at the last month's worth of trading, we can see very similar reflection here at about 54 to 55 cents as that heavy concentration liquidation. And just so you know, that's $1.2 billion worth of liquidation at 54 cents. Wouldn't be surprised we see that hit here soon. All right, so take a quick look here at the daily time frame rather. And let's go ahead and verify a few things first. So just so you know, we've got a larger term trend line here. We've been tentatively breaking above and below at Raceline, but the truth is we're starting to average ourselves out in this range. So we got a nice amount of support in this level here. 47 to 48 cents seems to be holding fairly strong. Even though we got some aggressive wicks here and there, for the most part, it does look like we have more potential to increase than decrease based on us holding that range and also breaking that descending trend line. Now, granted, we're not above any key level moving averages yet, so we got to recognize that. That is slightly disadvantageous, but all that liquidation does lead me to believe that we're probably going to see some kind of push upwards to this level here eventually. Okay, so again, that's where the heavy concentration liquidation is, 1.3 billion, 1.2 at about 53 cents. So we're a ways away from that. It's not like a super far number either though, too, 7%, it's not a big difference. So the truth is that could very well happen, but right now, with what we're looking at here so far, let's just be realistic. We're underneath all moving averages. We're still under 50 in the RSI. We got stochastic swinging up and MACD converging. So the momentous indicators are telling us there's continuation likelihood here moving forward. So keep this in mind here too. If we look at this most recent daily candlestick closure, we got 1, 2, 3. Let me zoom in for you so you can see that better. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 attempts to break that. We closed above it one day, closed below it the next. Now today we're retesting it. So that 50-cent level there is a pretty important range. Okay, so it's all the more reason why we're probably likely to see that broken, because we got good momentum going into it, and there's a solid chance we could see that. So just be mindful. Don't take just a blind long here, but I can tell you this is looking favorable for a lot of different reasons. 4-hour time frame, we're above the two more important moving averages, the ones that help us understand short-term trend reversals. We can also see we're over 50 in the RSI. I've been maintaining that for about 12 hours. Stochastics at the beginning of swinging up, and MACD's on the horizon here of a potential swing to the upside. Okay, so a lot of positive stuff here. The only thing that would cause this to not occur is if Bitcoin just goes ahead and dumps on us here, which it's not doing. It is looking like it wants to break free from its falling wedge pattern. So there's, again, a lot of little incentivized reasons why a long position seems more sensible than a short. Again, I'm leaning more towards shorting altcoins when Bitcoin retests 66 to 67,000. And we actually have a successful Bitcoin short open at 67,000. We've taken a lot of profit. On the other side, though, with XRP, we want to be mindful that this coin has a tendency of dumping and pumping a lot. So you just got to be mindful of what you're working with here. And if you're like an XRP fanatic and you dislike the video because I say that the price action looks bad, you're probably in the wrong industry. Okay, so just kind of throwing it out there, you got to look at things kind of abstractly and recognize that it's not always a perfect situation. If we take a look here, though, we got a little bit of a descending trend here. Let's go ahead and put this here. We have broken above that as well. It's a positive sign. Again, we got lower highs consistently until just now, where we're establishing that change, that shift in momentum. Okay? Again, oftentimes that's what you look for in trend reversal. While this is not perfect by any stretch, it's still something to kind of pay attention to and be mindful of. Okay? Hourly time frame, we're above the cloud, which is very positive. Confirmation as well with lagging span being above the price action, and of course conversion line above the baseline. So we have 3 out of 3 reasons in the hourly time frame and multiple confirming factors in larger time frames to give us the indication that this coin should continue further up and likely sweep that level of liquidation between 53 to 54 cents that $1.2 billion worth of liquidation. So I'm not proposing it's going to happen right away, but if it does, it'd be awesome to be present for that. Again, at this point here, if you're going to consider any kind of profit targets, I would just make sure you you secure profit somewhere below these key fib levels, right? So again, 51.5 instead of just above at 52 cents, right? Never pick a round number either for take profit, because it's common for the price action to reverse itself or to not get filled at round numbers. Okay, so just keep that in mind too. Hope that makes sense. I described that correctly. I deeply appreciate you watching. Do yourself a favor too. Make sure you take advantage of this exclusive offer from Bitunix. Use my link to register. No KYC or VPN for this exchange is our community favorite. Up until June 30th, you get these awesome rewards here. Check them out. It's a lot of fun. And have some fun with those there. And then, of course, join us over on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, TikTok Shorts now as well. A lot of fun stuff here, kind of keeping you abreast as often as possible in whichever ways work best for you. So check it out. I appreciate your feedback. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks again so much for your time. We'll see you next one. Take care.